GerMed provides Lister bandage scissors in a variety of lengths and colors. Lister bandage scissors are designed for cutting tight bandages on patients without cutting the skin. The scissors feature one blade with a knob at the point for slipping under the bandage. These scissors are commonly used for sizing dressings and removing bandages. They may also be used to cut tougher material such as plaster and fabric. GerMed Lister bandage scissors are available in stainless steel, gunmetal, rainbow, and blue in sizes 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 7.5, 7 1/4, 8, and 8 1/4 inches. They are also available with black handles, which include a super sharp serrated blade. For more information, call, email, or visit our websites.